In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Monday.com board to Excel. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board you want to export. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. Taking a quick moment to confirm this can save time later and help you avoid exporting the wrong set of data. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top area of the screen for the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options related to board management and organization. Click on the three dots to open that menu and reveal more actions you can take with the board. From the menu that appears, choose More Actions. This section usually includes advanced options that go beyond the standard board view settings. If you don't immediately see the export option, don't worry. It's often grouped under this expanded menu because it's considered more of an administrative or utility action. After opening More Actions, select Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday.com to prepare a spreadsheet version of your board data that you can download and use outside the platform. Exporting to Excel is helpful if you want to share information with someone who doesn't use Monday.com, create backups, analyze data in spreadsheets, or build reports using familiar Excel tools. Once you click the export option, give the system a moment to generate the file. The time this takes can vary depending on how much information is in your board. Larger boards with more items, columns, or updates may take a little longer. So it's a good idea to wait until the process completes before clicking elsewhere. When the file is ready, download the exported file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it may go directly into your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you'd like to save it. If you export files often, it can help to store them in a clearly named folder, so they're easy to find later. Finally, open the downloaded file and confirm that the data looks correct. Review the rows, columns, and key details to make sure everything exported as expected. This final check is important because it helps you catch formatting issues or missing information right away before you share the file or begin working with it in Excel. And that's it. That's how to export a Monday.com board to Excel quickly and accurately.